Welcome to Hook to Knot. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how I attach my kiss clasp to the coin pouch that I make. For this, I am going to make my one coin pouch. I need a clasp. I have taken 2 pieces of yarn which I will use as a stitch markers, or initially the coin pouch will be placed on the clasp with help of them. A crochet hook to put the stitch markers or put the markers on the clasp, pair of scissors and polyester thread with a sewing needle. Now this is where my joining line is. What I will do is pull up one marker thread and exactly opposite of it I'll place the another one. Now this is how it looks. So what I am going to do is, this side will be down, the side with the holes will be placed down, and then now I will first attach these woolen markers to the clasp so that my pouch won't move around when I am trying to stitch. Later on we will take these off, so I am just making moving knots, no permanent knots. Now please understand, on the one side I have taken before the joint, so on the other side I will take after the joint. This is how I have placed it. Now I am going to start putting it in the clasp. I have kept one screwdriver with the smallest possible nozzle so that I can adjust the yarn, or I can adjust the pouch which I will be placing in the clasp. See, my pouch is placed in the clasp. Now I'll take little longer thread. I will be using 2 strands. Once I am ready, I will hold this pouch and take my needle from inside to out first time. See, first stitch and last stitch need little extra loop, so I am going to make 2 loops, one on the side, one on the bottom. Now I am good to go further. Now again in the same loop I am taking up. This polyester thread is little silky in nature, so tends to curl up or tends to create knots. You have to hold it nicely and pull it properly. Now I am good to start my stitching. So up from the first hole, down at the second, up in the third one, down in the fourth. This I will say this is my first line. Later on I will do the other part and cover it both ways. See this. Now up from the next place, down from the next. Now I am at the last space for stitching. Here I will add 1 or 2 extra stitches. So 1 stitch on the side and 1 stitch below, so that the clasp is properly attached. Now I will remove this side's support. Done. I will start with the return pass. Return pass is wherever we have left the space. It means the stitch was down there. Now we will have it from the upside. This is how it will look. Basically, double stitching guarantees the strength, and you can use this coin pouch without any tension. It will last for long. The best thing is that if you know basic stitching, even if clasp comes out after using the pouch, you may just re-stitch it. See, this is how it looks. I will complete it for rest of the portion, and my pouch is made. Thank you for watching this video. See you with more interesting videos. Thank you.